Emma. I didn't expect to see you here today. I just came to buy groceries and a few essentials.
Hi Nina, same here actually. I needed to pick up some food items quickly before heading back home today.
That's nice. I made a proper list this time because last week I forgot many important things while shopping here.
That happens to me all the time, even when I write lists, I somehow still forget at least one important item.
Really, that makes me feel better. Today I need milk, bread, eggs, fruits, snacks, and also a shampoo bottle.
That sounds like a complete list. We can walk together and help each other remember everything while shopping calmly today.
Yes, that would be helpful. I always get confused when I see too many choices and options in supermarkets like this.
Don't worry, we can take it slowly and compare items properly before choosing what we actually need and prefer today.
First, I need milk, but there are so many types here, I really don't know which one I should choose.
If you want something healthier, you can try low-fat milk instead of full cream. It tastes lighter and is better daily.
That sounds like a good idea. I've been thinking about eating healthier recently, so I will try low-fat milk today.
Great choice. Small changes like this can make a big difference over time, especially when you stay consistent with habits.
Now I need bread, but I'm confused between white bread and brown bread. I don't know which one is better.
Brown bread is generally healthier because it contains more fiber, so it keeps you full longer and helps digestion better.
Okay, then I will go with brown bread today. I'm trying to make better food choices and improve my daily routine.
That's a smart decision. Making small healthy choices daily can really improve your energy levels and overall lifestyle gradually.
Next, I need eggs, but I want to make sure they are fresh and good quality before buying them today.
You can check the expiry date on the box and also look carefully to see if there are any cracks on eggs.
That's helpful, thank you. This pack looks fine and fresh, so I think I will take this one without any worries.
Good, always checking products before buying is important, especially when it comes to food items that we consume regularly.
Are you buying fruits today? I feel like getting something sweet and fresh after finishing the main grocery shopping today.
Yes, I usually buy apples and bananas because they are easy to eat and also healthy for daily snacks at home.
These apples look really fresh and good quality today. I think I will take a few for myself as well.
You should also try the bananas here. They are very fresh and perfect for quick snacks when you feel hungry during the day.
That sounds great. I will take a bunch of bananas too, because they are convenient and easy to carry anywhere.
Prices seem a little higher than before. I feel like everything is getting more expensive every time I come shopping here.
Yes, I noticed that too, but we can still manage by choosing necessary items carefully and avoiding unnecessary things sometimes.
Exactly. Planning your shopping properly can help save money and also prevent buying things that you don't really need.
I feel like buying some snacks too, even though they are not on my list. I always get tempted in this aisle.
That's completely normal. Maybe choose something light like biscuits instead of chips. It's a slightly better option for regular eating.
You're right. I will take biscuits instead of chips. That way I won't feel too guilty about eating snacks later.
Good choice. Balancing your cravings with healthier options is always a better approach instead of completely avoiding snacks all the time.
Didn't I say I needed shampoo as well? I almost forgot again. I should really pay more attention to my list.
Yes, you mentioned it earlier. Make sure you don't forget this time because it's something you probably need urgently at home.
There are so many brands here, I feel confused again. I don't know which one I should choose for my hair.
If you are not sure, just go with the one you have used before because it's safer and you already know it works.
That's true. I don't want to risk trying something new today. I will stick with my usual shampoo brand again.
That sounds like a good plan. Sometimes sticking to what works is better than experimenting when you are unsure about results.
All right. I think I have everything now. Let me quickly check my list again to make sure nothing is missing today.
That's a good habit. Checking again always helps avoid forgetting something important, especially when you have a long shopping list.
Yes, everything is here. I'm glad I didn't forget anything this time. Shopping feels easier when you stay organized.
Exactly. Being organized saves time and makes the whole experience much smoother and less stressful when shopping in busy places.
Let's go to the cashier now before it gets more crowded. I don't want to stand in a long line.
Good idea. I also prefer finishing quickly because the lines can get very long, especially during busy hours like this.
I usually pay by card because it's faster and easier compared to carrying cash everywhere when I go out shopping.
Same here, paying by card saves time and feels more convenient, especially when you are buying many items during shopping.
It was really nice shopping with you today. I enjoyed talking, and it made the whole experience less stressful and more fun.
Yes, I enjoyed it too. We should do this more often. Shopping feels much better when you have someone to talk with.
Definitely. Thank you for helping me choose better items and reminding me about things I almost forgot during shopping today.
You're welcome. Take care and see you soon. Maybe next time we can also grab something to eat after shopping together.
That sounds great. See you soon and have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy the rest of your time today.